Could you use some help out of this pandemic? Boy, couldn't we all? Whether you've had COVID or you've suffered through the isolation and all of the other things that go along with it, we want to help you out. I'm Karen Hand.
And I'm Lynn Caputo. We're going to be doing a 5 week workshop, maybe one night a week, of course, 90 minutes each, on pandemic problem solving using a mixed modality approach.
And we call it the Help Out Protocol because we do use a mixed modality approach, including hypnosis, EFT, NLP, mindfulness, meditation, breathing, essential oils. And we're putting together our expertise. You see, Ashley is a yoga master and an expert at essential oils and has already used essential oils to do things like bring back her lost taste and smell.
That's right. I used to use essential oils as NLP anchors into calm states. And then when I suffered the anosmia that comes along with COVID, that was a rather jarring thing. And then I was reading and I found that they were using essential oils to scent train to get your taste and smell back. So I really started working with that. And I'll be darned, it does work.
Hypnosis works there too. If you've ever used that lemon technique where you taste the lemon, you'll know how hypnosis works. That's why we're using the mixed modality approach, because we can help you with the problems from this pandemic with a number of different modalities. And whether you're an expert at hypnosis or any of these modalities or not, this is for the general public. We will help you solve those problems from the pandemic. I just read about a new one that people are suffering from isolation and the lack of a hug. We can help you with that too if you use your imagination to its best advantage. The 5 week session starts February 18th and runs through March 18th, and it is important to pre register. Why, Ashley?
Because we will be snail mailing you a little essential oils kit. So you'll want to have that not only for fun, but also to have for our one workshop.
So if you have any questions, you can reach us via email, but do register ahead of time, register early, and join us for the 5 week session. If you miss a session, you'll get the replay. So don't worry if you have to miss 1 week. Join us for pandemic problem solving, the Help Out protocol, and let us help you out.